Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make creamy garlic mushroom chicken without cream or milk. For the mushrooms, I'm using Baby Bella's. You can substitute another variety. Cut them into bite-sized pieces about 1/2 inch. This is boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut into 1/2 inch pieces. Chicken thighs will also work in this recipe. For the seasonings, salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, and dried thyme. Peeled garlic cloves that I'm gonna grate, flat leaf parsley, chicken stock, which is replacing milk and cream, all-purpose flour to thicken the sauce, butter, and olive oil. Now, if you want to avoid dairy, use all olive oil and no butter. To the cut up chicken, add all of the spices. Mix it thoroughly. Then add the all-purpose flour. Stir that up. When frying, chicken's tastier with a bit of flour than without. Now the chicken's ready to be cooked. Heat up a wide pan. Add olive oil just to coat the bottom. When the oil's hot, add the chicken in a single layer. You'll have to do this in 2 batches. Turn over the pieces when they're golden brown, which will take just a few minutes. When they're done on both sides, transfer to a plate. Now cook the second batch. Chicken's all done. That's all the fond, delicious brown stuff on the pan. Add the mushrooms, give that a stir, and let it cook. The pan's going to look dry, but you don't need to add any oil because the mushrooms will give off their liquid. You can see all the brown bits on the bottom are being picked up. When the mushrooms are just about cooked, add the grated garlic. Stir that in and let cook for about 30 seconds. Make some space in the middle and add the butter or olive oil. Let that melt and put the all-purpose flour in. Mix that to combine. Stir it all into the mushrooms and cook for just a minute to let the flour lose its raw taste. Add salt, ground black pepper, and dried thyme. Now the chicken stock a little at a time, stirring to avoid lumps. Let the sauce come to a boil. Give it a taste and add more salt or pepper if you like. It's time to put the chicken in, along with any juices on the plate. Cover the pot and bring to a boil. If you used chicken thighs, cook a few minutes on medium-low to make sure the chicken is completely cooked. Chicken breast would have already been cooked fully after frying. Add some finely chopped parsley, and it's ready to serve over mashed potatoes, pasta, or rice. I usually put water on to boil while cooking the chicken. Add salt and the pasta. This way, the pasta and chicken will be done at the same time. Scoop the pasta from the pot with a strainer and put it right into the sauce. The chicken, mushrooms, and pasta are nicely coated with the creamy sauce. I hope you try this delicious dish and let me know how you like it. Click on the bell icon to get notifications when I upload a new video. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.